Last time I did a video, I didn't realize that I wasn't recording. Um, so now I'm gonna give you guys a little breakdown of what I'm doing this week. I mainly focus on GBP, AUD, and Euro JPY. Sorry about that. Again, sorry. Now this is just my top-down analysis, how I basically get to what I'm doing. Now, basically when I start my trade, I look at my weekly first. My weekly, and if you look at my weekly, I'm looking at zones, just looking at zones of different candle patterns, how candles basically close. So I marked up this area of where it ranges from and where it closes. This should be a little bit more down. Yeah, that's fine. So I'm basically just marking up support and resistance zones. So this is what's happening on the weekly. When we see where the market has reached a head and shoulders pattern right here. This is the head and the two shoulders, so I think it's going to reverse to come back down to bounce off of this area, key area right here that I've already marked up as well, tracing it back, going all the way across. And that's what I'm doing for the weekly. Now move down to the daily, where I still have that zone intact. Now I realize that the market is ranging. Sorry, this blue line right here is actually my take profit, or now the reason why I took this trade for a sell is for two reasons. I realized that this area is a strong area of rejection. We can see where the candle's closing at this area right here, and we basically see a doji candle right here, which indicates that the market is going to turn. Each time it turns straight down, each time it turns straight down, comes back up here, but it's basically opening and closing in this zone. So that's the reason for my zone. Now it went up here again, closed a little bit, well, it's on the same frequency, closed right here, and I realized that it gave us a engulfing candle, and of course that an engulfing candle is the candle that's in front that shadows the one behind. So I'm predicting for it to come down to here and test this area right here. So this is where my first TP will be at. Now market just opened, it's a little bit crazy, moving down to the 4-hour now, where we see that it basically came down to this area in the 4-hour, rejected, and makes its way back up. But if you look right here, this is like a little mini area of resistance right here. So I was thinking that the candle would come all the way back up here and then move back down to the downside, kind of like a little break and retest in a way. So that's what I'm hoping. So that's what's happening on the 4-hour right now, but I trade off of the 1-hour candle. So move down to the 1-hour, see that little area I've been telling you that candles have been opening and closing. It's moving back down now. I should be in profit because I entered at 143.49, I think, or a little bit higher, I think. But I'm saying that it's gonna reject off this area. That's my prediction, and my first TP will be, of course, 143.343. Now this is just my analysis for Euro JPY. Again, if you're asking me what is my stop loss would be just a little bit right here, because this is kind of a previous mini zone as well. So my stop loss, if you want to be safe, I would say up here, because it will come and wick you out here and turn back. But I'm hoping that my stop loss can be just right here, a little bit above here, and I'm looking to go short all the way down here. So I'm looking for, my entry is right here, so I'm looking to grab straight down to this zone right here, and I'm looking for my stop loss to be right here in this zone. Right now, that's just my analysis. I'm not going too in depth in it. I will give you a next video an update on what happened actually, so just bear with me for now.